Welcome to the final video of this series where we try and build a racing game inside of Unity using Unity tools and nothing else. Here is what I managed to create inside of Unity. So we have a car controller that is really nice and realistic to play with. It has a gearing system, it has horsepowers, it has everything that you might ask and then some. So obviously everything is simulated here, nothing is externally added, so to say. We obviously have nitro system, and in this scene I have set up some AIs to race against. So obviously we have player positions, we have everything that you might need to build a racing game. We obviously calculate the positions of how far we are in front of them. Obviously it needs a little bit more work. We have a power-up system, we have a nitro system, we have everything that you might want to create a nice racing game. This project is all free, available to download in a GitHub link down below, and you can use it to create whatever you want with it. The only catch is that you have to mention us when you create it. I will now show you how to import this project into your Unity. So the first thing to do is to head on over to this link. So GitHub, Coding Edger, car game, and then simply download the zip file. Once you have the zip file, this is what it should contain inside of the zip file. Next thing to do is to create a new project into Unity, select a URP pipeline, and then hit create. Once you create your empty project, what you want to do is right-click and reveal in Finder if you're using a Mac, or just go into the Assets folder. Once you're inside of your project, which has an asset inside it, what you want to do is take everything that you downloaded from the GitHub link and then simply drag and drop. A very important step is to apply to everything and replace everything. After that, you might have all of these scripts that are just missing. A very important step is to just close your Unity. After reopening it one more time, you can see that all of the scripts are there, and then what you can do is just hit play and then enjoy your free script.